Today in our zoology lab we are going to discuss the specimens are frog. The species is that is Rana tigrina, and next the specimen is the sea snake. So that is called what here commonly it is the Hydrophis. Now this is the diagram of the frog. It is a diagram of the this is the specimen of frog. We can observe this is a frog. So what is body parts are there in frog? We can observe here. Anterior part, this is what here snout and nostrils. It is called as a mouth. It is the head region is present. A pair of eyes are present here. These are a pair of eyes. Eyes it contains that is important character. Nictitating membrane is present here, and here tympanum also forming. So tympanum and forelimbs and hind limbs are forming here. So next one, above the region mid dorsal lines are forming. These are what here moist like structures, wet like structures. The skin is forming here. So posterior part it contains a eclocal aperture. Okay, so this is about that what here frog, that is the specimen of Rana tigrina. Bifurcated tongue is present here. So next specimen, sea snake. This is the model sea snake. So we are using model because we are not disturbing to the ecosystem. That's why it is very important. Sea snake today, what is the characteristic features of sea snakes? These all are the parts of sea snakes. Anterior part it contains mouth region, okay, and nostrils are present, a pair of eyes are present, and head region this is called, and it is the neck region. So these are what here colored bands are forming here. It is black bands are forming, and posterior part flattened over like tail is present. Okay, this region it is called as a trunk region. So this is the specimen of sea snake. Now we are observing the specimens of frog and sea snake. This is the specimen of frog. The observed characters are the dorsal surface is dark olive color with black patches, while ventral surface is whitish. The body consists of head and trunk. Neck is absent. Head conical with a blunt snout. Two external nostrils are present. One pair of most distinct eyes is present on the dorsal side. Mouth is terminal having protrusible bifurcated tongue for capturing food material. Trunk has a pair of forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs are smaller than the hind limbs. So it is a specimen of frog. This is the specimen of sea snake. It is commonly known as Hydrophis. The tail is flat and laterally compressed. It is a oar-shaped and useful for swimming. The nostrils are on the top of snout. They are valvular. The body is covered small scales and consists dark crossbands. Head and eyes are small. It is a viviparous snake, carnivorous. It is a poisonous snake which produces neurotoxins. So today in our zoology lab, the specimens are frog and sea snake. So thank you. Please subscribe and share our zoology.